Hi everyone, in this lesson I'm gonna show you how to change your layers row size. When you are working with your layers, you might get confused as to which objects are on which layers. To see what is in your layer, look at your layer panel here. These boxes show you every object on the layer. However, in the default settings, these boxes are quite small. You can customize this panel to make it easier to see the objects on each layer. First, in the layer panel, click on the menu button in the top right corner. At the bottom of this menu is Panel Options. Click on it. Now, under Row Size, you can change the size of those little boxes. Let's look at each option. Here is small. Now you can see. Here is medium. And then large, let's do. Now you can see better. If you don't like any of those options, you can choose other. Let's go. And then just type in your choice of pixel size. Let's do 50. And let's click OK. Now we can see better. As you can see in this one, there is a little square. In this one, there are two objects, and we see, there you go, there you go, and there you go, we see better. I hope this helps. Good luck with your illustrations, everyone. Also, remember to subscribe, like, and comment. That will help me to make more videos. See you next time.